7, blah de blah. Right, so like I say, definitely power getting to it. Right, I've checked the fuse inside. For those who don't know where it is, I shall show you. Right, we all know that scenario, don't we? Right, out with the bog holding tank. Right, there's your fuse. Do you see it? From outside it's located there. So basically, and I've tested it and it's fine. In fact I swapped it anyway. Right, we'll try and get the damn thing back in now. There you go. There. Right, so like I said, the fuse is okay. Right, so what I'm going to do now, show you where the pump is. Oh. What it is, the spinny thing on the impeller gets stuck. The blue stuff that you put in, you know, for cleaning toilet, well, you know, you flush, it congeals or does something. Toilet roll holder. Just listen. Can you hear a click? That's your micro switch for, yeah, so, right, this, basically, just pops out. Right, now that rubber, right, look how it's horrible. I don't think it should be that colour. Right, there is your pump. Right, now I've never taken one of these out. I'm going to put light on. With a light. Oh yeah, there, look, you see the screw. Hello, Mr. Screw. How you doing? You're not screwy, me. That's what I'm. Right, so I'll have to put the phone down. I'm going to undo that screw. I don't think there's any more. And apparently it pops out. So I'll be back shortly. I'm back. It only took a minute. If that. Oh God. Right, the pump's out. Right, look at it. I think that's what it is, you know, all the gunge and everything. Right. Can you see that there? That's your impeller, basically. And it's supposed to spin freely. I haven't tried spinning it yet, because I'm old of this. But I shall have a do now, just for you. Where are we? Did he move there? It's stuck. Right, so I'm going to free that nice and gently away. I might pull this pipe off and I can get it. Oh, got me back. Right then, gents and peoples. Right, I have took that shrink wrap. Well, it is, isn't it? To reveal that. Needless to say, what I'm going to do is cut it there, and then, like I say, I'm going to test this, see if 12 volts getting through. Okay, buddy. There. That's that. So, like I say, there's power getting to the pump, and enough. So, it has to be the pump. Yay! See, I do know something. Yeah, like I say, it has to be the pump. Oh, I think it's had its day, to be honest with you, don't you? But I've been told if you soak them in hot water, you can get all the gunge out. I can't see out in there, can you? But that impeller is definitely stuck. Definitely. So there's up Daisy. Right, where's my little screwdriver? There we go. Let's see if we can't. There, look, it's moving. Although very, very stiff. Yeah, what I'll do, I'll go and soak it in some red hot water. Anyway, now you know. So hopefully this will be it. The reason for it not working. Okay, radio. Right, I've got it soaking in a old coffee jar, red hot water, and what I'll do, leave it 5 minutes and then change water, put some more in, see what happens. But I have no hope, I think. No. Anyway, yeah. So hopefully that's the problem. Like I say, there's 12 volts getting to the pump, so that's all it can be. Right, I've just been onto forums and asked if how loose the impeller should be. You know, like when you spin it, does it spin, or is there a bit of resistance? Anyway, what I've done, left it soaking in red hot water, and it seems to be okay. There's still a bit of resistance there. Right, I've crimped them on like that, all wired up and everything. Now for the moment of truth. I shall push the button. Way! Say, result. Mission accomplished. Tea time.